Top 5 Best Self-Tanners. Self-tanners that can give you an even tan. Get a jump start on summer or touch up your existing tan with a little something from our selection of self-tanners. If you're worried about the possible harmful effects of excessive sun exposure but enjoy a healthy glow, one of these will be perfect for you. We've included natural and organic products so you can avoid nasty chemicals like parabens and phthalates, too. Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam. Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world.
Self-Tanner Tanning Mousse Ultra Dark. B.Tan Darkest Self-Tanner.
Let's self-tan together.
Okay, so I just got finished applying my self-tanner, and it's kind of just barely started to develop. It does not have a color guard, but I am loving this tanner. I really like this brand because it's a clean brand, and it also doesn't smell really weird. My husband's always like, you smell like soy sauce when I use self-tanners. So weird. But this one has like a beachy coconutty smell, I guess, and it's not super strong. I will show you guys what it looks like in the morning after I have slept on it, and yeah, I'll see you in the morning. I'll probably look a little bit rough.
I indeed look a little bit rough because I woke up before the kids so that I go wash the self-tanner off.
So this is post washing off the tan. I think it looks so good. I think my feet look good. My hands look good. The color is great. I feel like I look really dark without looking orangey. I don't know. My face is like how I like it. I would definitely recommend this self-tanner. And I will keep you guys posted on how it wears throughout the week.
Saint Tropez Classic Self-Tanner Bronzer Mousse Foam.